Hi fifs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's bright and early Saturday morning, and I am up. I slept in this morning, and babe took care of Tyler. We took turns, so after I woke up, babe went back to bed. So babe is actually still in bed sleeping right now. I just got all fresh and stuff, and Tyler is around here watching his tablet. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day outside. It is hot, it's sunny. Let me just show you guys a peek of outside, and we can't wait to get out of this house. Today is going to be a pool kind of day, running errands on the road, just relaxing, having family moments like we always do. So right now I am going to go and make some breakfast so that I can go wake babe up and give him breakfast if he doesn't wake up before that. Comment down below and let me know what the weather is like where you guys are today and what you guys have planned for the rest of the day. Let's see what I'm going to make for breakfast. Maybe I'm going to opt for some pancakes because babe super loves pancake on the weekend morning. So I think I'm gonna go for pancake and let Tyler also have some of that. So that's what it's gonna be, some pancake, eggs and bacon for breakfast. So let's just jump straight into breakfast, making it for my sweet man while he rests up. And let you guys say good morning to Tyler. Let Tyler say good morning to you guys. He was actually eating a why is your shirt like that? What happened to your shirt? What happened to your shirt? Why you take your hand out your shirt? Look, put your hand in. You're so funny. Say morning, Faith. Tell Faith what you're up to.
I'm watching
what are you watching?
Police car
Police car?
and the car. And the taxi.
And a taxi?
It's a better. And the car.
You want to go to the pool today?
No, and the car.
You want to go to the pool later?
Boom, boom, boom.
That's what the car say?
Boom.
Boom?
Look.
Look at it.
And one more police car.
And one more police car.
And a tow truck.
Okay. You want to go to the pool later?
Yes.
Okay. You ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Mama going to make pancakes for you, okay? Pancake and egg and bacon? You want that? Yeah? Give me a kiss. I love you. Alright guys, so he's been a good sport as usual. And I'm just going to go ahead and make me breakfast real quick so he can wake up to something to eat. To surprise you and bring your breakfast in bed.
Oh, I can go back to bed.
If you want. I wasn't expecting you to wake up already. Yeah, hold it. That's for Tyler.
Mama.
Okay. Yes. My assistant. Breakfast is done, you guys. Tyler helped me make the eggs and he did a very good job. So that's babe. That's mine without the bacon, and that's Tyler's over there. Ready to eat?
Yes, ready.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Yes. Alright. Go. Mama coming. Oh my god, I just said to babe, what you doing? And Tyler said, babe, what you doing? You guys, we made it to the supermarket. Why my camera so blurry? We at the supermarket, babe. They haven't seen you all morning. Nothing. Just so. Babe, you guys getting silent treatment from babe today. We're at the supermarket, you guys, on this hot, lovely day. I'm sporting shorts and just a little top, and the boys are in shorts, of course. We are going to pick up some goodies and go back home and head straight to the pool. Today's pool day. Tyler been dying to go to the pool, so it's a perfect day to go to the pool. Yes. You want bisou? Alright, mama gonna give you a bisou. Come. Mwah. I love you. And I'm in slippers today, you guys. Slippers. My mama bought me these slippers years ago, and I still have them. They're one of my favorite slippers to wear during the summertime. What? You want hug?
I asked him earlier, he said, no, and then you come to you and say, no.
Give Papa hugs and bisou. Ah. Why you want it from Mama? Yeah, Mama to give you a hug and kisses? Yes, not Papa?
No.
Ah.
Mama, you
Babe tell Tyler to. Babe tell Tyler give me hugs and kisses, and Tyler said no. Mama, babe running away because babe don't want him to kiss me. The realness of being bad man. The bad man is real. Bad man is active. Anyway, you guys, we're in the supermarket, but why does the supermarket look so full today? Is it because it's lunch hour? Is it because it's a day before Mother's Day? Tomorrow is Mother's Day in France, you guys. So I get to celebrate Mother's Day 2 times throughout the year. Jamaican Mother's Day and French Mother's Day. Anyway, guys, let's go do the shopping right now. If you follow these French pastries, you get fat. All these pastries, pastry life. Tyler loves croissant, so of course he asked for croissant and he is already eating it. What is that? You love croissant?
Yes.
Yes.
Mommy,
It's expensive? How much for it? How much for? Okay. What pastries in France, apart from the sweet ones, not normally that expensive? Like these normally expensive. Wow. Bon fête de Mama. Mother's Day cake. See bon fête right there. Sit there, je t'aime, I love you on this one. Very cute Mother's Day cake. And they're all shaped in heart. I love this one. This one is so me. This one too. Oh, this is my favorite one. Oh no. I said no because I'm gonna eat it a lot. Yeah, if we had guests coming over then. Look, oh, we're pretty. If I had guests coming over, I would buy it. But seeing that it's babe and I alone, that's sin. My poor stomach would feel it because I couldn't stop eating it. But they can't find it with both on it. Trying to find pizza for Tyler, and I think his fish is here. Cutting with the croissant. I'm trying to find fish and shrimp. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this fish right here. This one. one. This one looks yummy too. That one looks good, the kebab. Yes. Alright. No, put them in the cart. Go. It's salt. Go put it in. Yeah, put it in. Put it in. Good job. My day one and I going to the pool. Look at him, all decked out. Where are you going?
I'm going to the pool.
You going to the pool? He's so ready for the pool right now. So we are going to the pool to chill for the afternoon. Just T-Bear and I. Go, baby. We're just gonna have a nice chill day. It's so hot and baby's tired, so baby's gone back to nap. I don't know if he's gonna join us, but let's see how long we'll stay at the pool. Look at my mini. And this is moi. Tell us, hi Faves.
Hi, baby.
Hi Faves. Don't go too far, come back here. So Tyler and I are gonna unleash the official summer body right now. Who made it to the pool and is not going to do what you want me to wet you up? Wet you? You are sleeping? You look like you're sleeping. Really? You rested?
After 4. After 4.
After 4? It's on, y'all. It's on. It's on. What? You want to talk to Faves? Come, don't go so close.
I eat my chicken.
You're eating chicken? You're not eating it. You're waiting on it to finish. What else you want to tell Faves?
I come in my pool.
You're going to the pool?
Yes, my pool.
He's showing you guys the pool. So I'm just sitting here relaxing and Tyler bring me the camera and say, Mama, I want to talk to Faves. See Faves there? Oh, you want to hold it? But I don't want you to drop the camera, so Mama will hold it for you.
Yeah.
Where you want to go?
Daddy finger, me. I do.
We're ready to end the vlog by giving you guys the expressions of today. And the Jamaican expression of today is going to be whingy.
Whingy?
Yes. If somebody said, "Jeez, P, smell how you whingy so."
You shiny?
No. I mean, you're skinny, you're tiny.
Okay.
You're little.
You're
Whingy.
whingy? You're skinny, you're tiny, you're little, you're whingy?
I don't consider myself whingy, but a lot of people would consider me being whingy.
Okay.
Whingy means
Whingy.
to be tiny, to be little, to be small.
Okay. Hi.
Tyler, come here.
You want to know what
Tyler, come here. Wait,
Tyler?
let Tyler say it. Tyler, come here. Come to the Jamaican expression.
No, I'm making my cupcake.
Come here, Ty. Look. Look in the camera.
I'm making my cupcake.
Can you say whingy?
Minji.
Whingy.
Minji.
Yes.
I'm making my cupcake.
Alright, continue making your cupcake. What's the French expression?
The French expression, it comes earlier when I saw pictures of your mom.
You saw a picture of Mom here?
Yeah, online I saw pictures of your mom. So the French expression is avoir la main verte. Like they have the green hand. So to have the green hand, we say to somebody you have the green hand when the person is like gardening and doing some nice things.
I figured that's the picture you saw.
So,
My mom forever gardening. She carried all of Jamaica to Texas. Yes,
so when you're
Tyler.
doing pretty things and your success or you're doing well as gardening, we say you have a green hand.
Cool.
Say it, avoir la main verte.
Avoir la main verte.
Oh, you
Avoir la main
Avoir la main verte.
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 Right.
Ouvre la main verte.
Right. Good job.
Good time.
Good time.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Mama is talking to the fans.
1, 2, 3, 4. One. Mama.
Can you say bye, faves?
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow. What else you should tell them? Say subscribe, like, comment, and what else? Alright, and what else? Bye bye. Alright, you guys.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.